The method consists of performing 3 yoga poses and a breathing technique while we have the attack to stimulate our cardiovascular system, increasing oxygen and blood flow, helping our body to stop the attack quickly. Additionally, we are going to hydrate and be in a cold and ventilated place, like a room with a door or window open. Have a glass or bottle of cold water and tissues close to you, so you don't have to get up during the attack. Blow your nose and drink water constantly. I recommend a light short sleeve shirt, pants, and no socks. If it's daytime, I wear a blindfold since the light causes me more pain, and I don't take it off until the attack is over. If it's night, I don't use it, but I keep my eyes closed all the time. Sit down on a carpet next to a cold floor, such as wood, tile, or concrete. If you don't have a carpet, use a mat, blanket, or towel to sit comfortably on the floor. Each pose should be held between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. After the third pose, repeat the first and go in a cycle between the 3 until the pain stops. Get on your knees. Bring your stomach to rest between your thighs and put your forehead on the floor. Stretch your arms in front of you with the palms toward the floor. This will increase blood circulation to your head, relax you, and relieve pain. It also helps to clear out your nose, so blow your nose to be able to breathe better. The feeling of the cold on the forehead and arms tends to help. During this pose, do the box breathing all the time. I do this pose for a short time in the first 2 cycles, when the pain is more intense, and I do it longer in the next when I'm more relaxed. Get up very slowly as you may get dizzy. Sit cross-legged with your back straight. This is a good time to drink water and blow your nose. Remember to do all this with your eyes closed. You can have your arms up to increase oxygenation or resting on your legs for relaxation. Continue doing box breathing in this pose. Focus on your breathing. The following may help you. Head slightly down. I don't know why, but having my head forward is more painful. I rock myself back and forth. I have seen videos of other people who rock in the same way during an attack. Maybe we do this trying to distract the pain or to relax. I move my legs up and down quickly. Find out what helps you to release this anxiety, but don't hurt yourself. Our brain has enough to deal with the attack. Hold this pose for as long as you want. I do it much longer than the other 2. When the intensity of the pain reduces, I switch to a slower breathing and I try to fall asleep. Remember, keep your eyes closed all the time. It's usually in this pose that the attacks stop. Lean your neck on one of your arms for a few seconds. Try massaging your neck with your hands. When you're ready, lift your back and shoulders off the floor and extend your arms in front. If possible, raise your legs at the same time. Hold this pose for as long as you can. For this pose, the breathing technique is different. While holding this position, inhale and exhale quickly through your nose. Do quick but strong exhalations. It should be heard like this. You may get dizzy doing this breathing. With this exercise, we will increase blood circulation and oxygenation. I do this pose for a short time, resting for a few seconds before doing it again. At the end, I do a full body stretch. After doing this pose, a cycle is completed and we continue with the first pose. Breathing is very important to control the attack. The following breathing technique is called box breathing and consists of breathing in 4 steps, counting to 4 on each step. Inhale as deep as you can, counting in your head to 4. Hold your breath. Exhale, counting to 4. And hold without breathing. Then repeat. This method doesn't prevent the attacks, but it helps me to stop them quickly when they do occur. I do these exercises immediately when the attack starts, and I continue until the pain is completely gone. That's all. I hope you are encouraged to try this method. If it worked for you, please come back to this video and post a comment to motivate other people to try it. If you like, give it a like and share it with other people.